Hello creatives, I'm Joanna Penn and today I'm very excited because I'm launching my new book, How to Write Non-Fiction. And it's actually, surprisingly, for those of you who are interested in writing a non-fiction book. So what's inside? Well, I start with a section on before you write some of the mindset issues that non-fiction writers in particular are struggling with. For example, can I write a non-fiction book if I'm not the expert? And what about originality? Aren't there already too many books in the world on this subject? So we tackle those up front. Then I move into the business section. So we talk about how to position your book in the market, the business models for non-fiction writers, and other aspects of things like author name and your genre, and sort of really delving down on things like book title and the stuff that will impact the way that you incorporate your book into some kind of way of making money. Part 2 is all around the business side of your non-fiction book and how it might fit into other streams of income, as well as things like your target market, how long it will take, your author name, and other aspects of really just making sure your book is going to stand out. Part 3 is all around the writing and the editing, and I talk about dictation as well as the various aspects of actually getting that book on the page. Then part 4 is all about publishing and product creation, the different choices you have now as a non-fiction author, as well as the different formats you can create the book in, and some of the other things you can do like a multimedia course. It also includes things like pricing and categories and keywords and all the things you need to actually turn your book, a manuscript, into a product. And then finally, part 5 is all about marketing your non-fiction book, talking about the different types of marketing, particularly the book-based marketing, paid advertising, and also the author-based marketing and personal branding and content marketing, which is how I've built my own business around non-fiction over the last 10 years. I've written 10 non-fiction books now, including Career Change, the one I wrote all the way back in 2008, which really changed my life and hopefully has changed lots of other people's too. So I've put everything that I've learned along the way into this book, and I hope it helps you bring your non-fiction book into the world. So the book is out now. It's available in ebook and print format. You can also get it as a companion workbook and also a large print edition, which is pretty hefty. It's also coming out in audio format, so you can listen if you'd rather not read on the page. And the book is available on all the usual places, and you can also find all the links on my website, thecreativepenn.com. So happy writing, and I hope you find the book useful.